Kotoko biggest headache as we speak. Finding a striker na player your friend Evans Bernard Ade Nkomudie no say no player na agye atum say Kotoko ne de onyo obeba na problem kese bi abehye akiri ama deal no so akoye nsem pii me no ka say no apparently player no agents the agency no members of the agency no there is one member or Ghana or no na ne Kotoko edin komo no actually okofa player na nkomo by say player no ho are very clinical in terms of the goal poaching no na player no ebe convince ma meeting ba so however player no contract with the Nigeria club no enya mawie nti say no de ade ne ya say sa Kotoko ebe bie nkomo num na Kotoko indeed want to sign the player. Kotoko will have to dole out. Because Kotoko will have to dole out. Kotoko will have to break bank. Na sikabia far for no ebe demand no Kotoko akofaba. And only the biggest problem about Elvis Bernard Ade moved to Kumasi Asante Kotoko as we speak. No latest no and it's saying me the Ebro Ewofia ha super 24 TV information will be asking in that top na I was here the update no ebe gumpa na de bia make say what's that from Rudolph Mensah there also omo coach no abi twani tikra say team because omo coach na what's that na no ye pon game no omo ye ade a ye friend post match press conference no and na nsenchofo ebusa Ahmed Fati which is the head coach of Swedru All Blacks say Osibofo what is a Kotoko for pen other coach bi chirim say eyo no e de ka kire the management of Swedru All Blacks say hey ono join team no wo hu say Swedru All Blacks team no the only target man the main the team ne ejina na betu so no Rudolph Mensah inti ono ne ka kire management ne say Rudolph Mensah ne de so mu lose na adwuma o makofa na ba say ombe save situation was Swedru no management no will have to bear the consequences of not achieving targets in the case say omoton Rudolph Mensah e ma de Kumasi Asante Kotoko it also deal no akoye very difficult as we speak meeting no calls over the weekend but it wasn't successfully as expected on part of Kumasi Asante Kotoko to have signed Rudolph Mensah proceeding on the conversation until Rudolph Mensah there no sa NIA now Emmanuel are not there no so to say no the deal is completely moving out make I say maybe a story be about couple of players who have been linked with Kumasi Asante Kotoko make I say it will be very difficult say two crown be possible because players na Kotoko pe omo no anase nkomodi ahase ya na e wa abonten no me kai me nua Henry mo be card was a me go dey wo asam no when one discredit you be when one discredit you but sometimes you look at the realities on the ground you see what I'm saying inti tell me na sa report no praise Badu Emmanuel ano Echidogli this guy I can no say me Rudolph Mensah omunyina no I said right here say it's going to be very difficult and at least emu baako anase mienu ene betimi enya successful move with Kumasi Asante Kotoko however date no it is only left with 10 days now you are close to the transfer window however still Kotoko has not been able to sign a permanent striker as a matter of fact a replacement for Albert Amwa enti say no sometimes men per se you be blame sa blame games no ade a mempe blame games kra enti enya sa ade a oze nsem no bitima blame pa bitima blame e bia meka say coach na say all sisi ano onu nenim the team no the hia ne pa ba however yes supporters na ye hwe no mo yemfa no kra encancel sa wo Kotoko team ne setup ye the team ne mawa sa ye ka say Kotoko become one of first priority ebe striker, but Kotoko first priority signing had been Prince Badu. Prince Badu and Aminoka say this week on the Kotoko year training, and I have nothing against Prince Badu. I have nothing against Prince Badu. But Bompa say on Wabe, no, Obaba be 10 in your mom for Kumasi Sante Kotoko. And no Kotoko here play a bit is a Prince Badu. Where technically, Pemum no, na Kotoko here a striker before say give Prince Badu situation, no. Kotoko needed a striker. Inti adwene sika ne bibia attention no I was saying the copper striker we know say currently Aminoka say no striker search ne eguso na ade ba akwa me say hold the brief for Kotoko management no any Kotoko IMC ni na ne say Prince Badu deal no enye say Kotoko akofa sika bi na mo dia me nkaye sanet ya nka would have been better because players are Kotoko akọ mo ho a emma nyina no is Kasem. Because he is Kasema, players, no, they are under contract. So the fact that the players are under contract, it makes it difficult for Kotoko to take these players for free. And if the player is under contract, you have to buy the player out of contract. And also only the mother club, no, and ebedin komo. The mother club has the power. The mother club has the power. Or no, they call it short, no. Say, oh, player to be PC. Oh, player to be PC. You understand? So, this is the twist about Kumasi Asante Kotoko having to sign a new striker's replacement for Albert Amwa. And then again, me policy they say, in Komodia be bra ekosu, you know. There are very good players in the Division 1. There are players at Kotoko. We can make them strikers. Yendi bi kra no Abdul Isaka de no de bia meka mi na konya bia meka. Minim video kra be pie panyin phone so ama panyin I realize Abdul Isaka or Call United. We still have 10 days to close the transfer window. So Abdul Isaka no wo a ye kofa ne mra. Na ono no mbeka edim ho phone ni bi. Then again the Cobbler Junior of Port City no. Division 1 player there. Untimi mfa ebo yegere. Ebetima koto no be 50,000 kra. Well, just by the word because it's 50,000 yes ke bia but you betimi akofa players ni be on loan. Eyen hihye yo. Eyen hihye. Enye chinchina chise Kotoko. Ye hia striker at the first round in the also ye bottom ska. Ekofa player. No, ayen hihye ye ko player bi home. Na player no. The mother club they say still on our contract. Inti ade say buying out of contract. We have so many measures. Measures ne bi ne there. Ye betim ne club na tena se. Na yaka say mu player no, ye fan on a 6 months loan. Oba be boy ne abo ye season na wie. Na oba na obebo wie a ye wo ade e frɛ no with option to buy. Into obebo season ni wie na ye hwe na o convincing na ye beto no na sika mo pe no ye tua ma. Sa obebo season ni wie na mo behia mo player no wasaba. Enti sa obebo season ni wie ma ya in the between 6 months no. Say no ye ka say loan na ye tua sika for loan no abeye din but player de betima be loan. Menka say you bit mark of a player be from maybe Kim Faisal, from maybe Swedru All Blacks, any of these clubs, Dreams FC. Ni for player ni loan. Player ni you find the loan and Chelsea free. You be my Dreams FC for no kakra. Loan fee no because Kotoko Bernard Somwa or call loan. Initial deal out the free Kumasi Asante Kotoko was loan. Bernard Somwa deal out the free Kumasi Asante Kotoko. A call a Spanish club no. Ne ye loan. Inti Kotoko nya kakra from the loan deal. And now go there say with option to extend and I say with option to buy at the end of the loan deal no. And truly at the loan deal no or convincing and I'm go for na permanent. You bet me any smaller clubs no aye san hyehyɛ no without necessarily say ye kwa akoto. We a simple football management skill. And I wonder why your management no encode this way. Na tembia no akoye se ena ye be kwa akoto. Ye kona omobo ye boni ni ska na ato ye ne ntase. Me no ka say player ye ka no ho asem. Elvis Bernard Adeno one faafo no e wo contract. And nanka agent a go ye deal no e pese go ye deal no without faafo no. So that be true. Na agent na pese oye deal no nanka deal no ye be between player and club. Na agency for na ti omo share. But say no eni aba ho to the extent say faafo no ati se Kotoko oh interest in the player, they are going to put a price tag on the player. So Kotoko will have to negotiate with faafo no. And also there to me sa ye be free krom a na yakọ Niger na yakọ di player no a nke ye betimi aba krom ya na ya pe player bi adi no ho ano na ya fa no so re be chona nkomo na me di no what as nti sa bibi say no e wo say wo team Kotoko na wo hu say wo hia striker no unfortunately asem we bi ayaka Kotoko ni scouting team Kotoko ni bibisa nka ye wo serious professional scouting team at the end of first round say no players are omako monitor omo ho so metimi aboa no ya present omo nkomudi ahyase dadaada ya kofo omo. But unfortunately bibi say ni ho ye betena ho mre ne so a na player we so they are then I know into the situation now is that and these players I come ho say when the time biara link ne bebem no say player no epe Kotoko player no be confirm player no nya interest or bebo Kotoko no. And based on information I'm inside can say this Elvis guy is so much keen and interested to join Kotoko, but however Kotoko will have to pay something to the mother club won Niger hono e hono na eye asem ema Kumasi Asante Kotoko because obo no what is a Kotoko we big nti obebo obo ama wa no wa dwenu nyina be ye hyehyehe eno so de obeka se ne me kwa ba eno na obo nze okwa o mabio so they are denying no nti say players are omo dara dan no so ankasa no amema o list no na amema o percentage of how it looks like as we speak. Rudolph Mensah say the end there 2080 because obu coach na confirm say no in this time pa yin jay sebofo. What's in common say? And Emmanuel another year also agent for ya be fanoko and na who say pictures no really oh social media no so. Inti ono ne de bebe ma agese wakọ na anyi ya na waba. And also there it will be a back slap. Sa back slap. I don't know so we Kotoko ni you will be ready to take her. Oko ya anyi na oba. But still na uhia ne de abefa no. And all the no credit ever akope uhia no na wo no uhia sa position na ye wa de abefa no because I know currently was 7 goals. Yeah, and that's 6 between 6 and 7 goals in the Ghana Premier League, and he's part of the top 6. It's here BBC na I would say you have to put in much effort, regardless the Abekwa Kusi Biano. You see that, and then these two players, Kobler Junior of Port City, no, or a Division 1 player, but only more on the structure na is a Rudolph Mensah no. Ubetimi abo. Ono ne de no sa Port City for ne be stubborn kra say oh ene Kotoko aba yembo omobo kese a Kotoko enko de say we are not coming to buy the player but we need a player on loan. What about that? So rebechono me can Port City Division 1 player because Division 1 player because Kotoko aba dey am the price ni ebe to so it's could say or loan still now you player. At the end of the season, now for the one who say Kotoko no, we are convinced with the player. Option to buy what no? After the scabi of a bubia, only non negotiating. So this is simple football management skills. I wonder why our management sometimes lack some of these approach. Any time biya na wode idea ne beko say meko no makoto. I don't know kind also on turn abede na akoko bede kwa. But you make him understand say who here more. Who here player no. Inti fa na ma me loan na me ma okakra. Still na you player. Inti that should be an opportunity be about. You are going to sell the player. So we have the likes of Baba Rahman. We have the likes of so many quiet players. We went that approach. You didn't players. Kotoko. So they are denying. I feel all sign and I feel they won't say what sign for more years. If he me pacho obe join the Kotoko reaction and come on air cost 0247 107260 0247 107260. Matisa Baba Yara Sports Stadium no. Sisi no mpanyifo ayo say omo betwen ma ye wa Africa omo ba be renovation sisi a and omo nye enye sa aba abonten omo be yedin wo ho. Around 7 race you know say Salisu Mohammed Black Star defender wenya anterior crucial ligament. One ha World Cup no or yes surgery na obe mix and also the information. As a folk assistant coach Abdullah Gazele to be a crass 7 doors so omuni media ma game no or ne boy eko kontokwa say aprani delay time was then wakochi no ne go crass 7 san obe kai sa coach we time no was samates no ye share mo Baba Yara Stadium o kan say hunu comment bi say Kotoko ewie mo no mo no ye better Kotoko ntimi hye no crass 7 sa Abdullah Gazele I don't know problem ebia or problem fine coach oni ogum time oni ogum problem sa Abdullah Gazele una nice gentleman but nenum kasa ni actions nye Jeff fo a charge no asema make me bo meeting na make video no ho Jeff fo a charge na no prayer so Wednesday so be you no ne boy kontokwa we Therefore, one song so abedi penny at him.